Welcome to the Quiz Bay. In this video, can you guess the movie by emoji? Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Alright, let's go. Can you guess which word is this? Yes, it's The Godfather. What do these emojis represent? Titanic is correct. This is simple. Can you guess right? Right on. That's Inception. Test your emoji decoding skills. Yes, it's The Dark Knight. Guess the word behind these emojis. That's Avengers Endgame. Put your emoji knowledge to the test. Spot on. It's Forrest Gump. What movie comes to mind? Perfect. That's Interstellar. Crack this emoji code. The Shawshank Redemption. Think you know this one? Right on. That's Inception. Here's a hint in emojis. Can you solve it? Correct. It's The Matrix. What does this emoji combo stand for? Bingo! That's Jurassic Park. Challenge your movie IQ with this one. You guessed it! The Lion King. Decode the emojis to find the movie. It's Star Wars and New Hope. This one's a classic. Can you name it? It's Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. What's the hidden movie title here? It's The Lord of the Rings, The Fellowship of the Ring. 2 emojis, 1 movie. What is it? Correct. That's Frozen. Figure out this cinematic riddle. Well done. It's Black Panther. Here's an easy one for you. Amazing. That's Avatar. Or is it, what movie do these emojis scream? Yes, you're right. It's Toy Story. Guess the famous movie title? Next one. That's The Avengers. Think outside the box for this one. That's correct. It's Spider-Man, No Way Home. Spot the movie hidden in emojis. Great guess. It's Iron Man. Can you name this legendary film? You got it. That's The Hunger Games. Emoji clues for a famous movie. What's your answer? exactly. It's Shrek. Guess which blockbuster this is? That's Finding Nemo. Unlock the answer using these emojis. Correct, it's Aladdin. This one's tricky. Do you know it? Absolutely right. That's Beauty and the Beast. Here's a fun one. What's the movie? Yes, it's Coco. Great job. Emoji puzzle time. Can you solve it? That's The Incredibles. What iconic film is hinted here? Perfect. It's Moana. Two emojis. Endless possibilities. What's your guess? Right, that's up. Time to guess the movie with these emojis. You got it. It's Zootopia. Think fast. What's the movie? Correct. That's The Jungle Book. A true fan will know this one instantly. Do you? Well done. That's Doctor Strange. Oh, yes, you got it. It's Thor.